Okay, what we're doing today is we're going to go ahead and make a oxygen sensor removal tool. And what we need to do that is a 7/8 deep well socket. And what we have to do is we have to cut a line going down the side of this socket. Make sure you cut in the middle of one of the flat surfaces. And I'll show you that when I get a little bit further. But this is what we need. We need a deep well socket, 7/8. We also need a die grinder. We need a compressor. And we need a vise to put this project in. So we're going to go ahead and get started on this. Okay, we have our groove marked off, and it's between the two pieces of tape here. That's where we want to cut. We may want to go a little wider with that just to make sure that the oxygen sensor connector will go between there, but for now, that's where we're going to be at. We're cutting right in there, and we want to only go this far because we want to keep the integrity of the socket. Make sure you cut straight on one of the flat parts. See how that's going right down one of the flat parts? So we're going to go ahead and get started. We're going to put it in this vise right here. And then we have our die grinder, and we're going to go ahead and get started on cutting this to make it an oxygen sensor removal / replacement tool. Okay, before you put your die grinder up, make sure that the O2 sensor wire will go in the slot that you just cut in your new socket, and it looks like it fits in there fine. So I think we're ready to use it. It slides in there perfectly. Okay, this is the finished product. See where it's cut? Screwed up a little bit right there, but I don't care. Bring it all the way to about here, because when you look in there, that's where it starts getting solid. Seven-eighths. Hopefully this will get my O2 sensor out of this Grand Am, and I'll show you when I get a little further why I had to do this.